everyone, welcome to another live session. So right now I have here another code master of the week. So this is, where is it? Stuti Mehta.
Hello, sir.
Hello
Hello,
Stuti.
everyone.
Hi
Hi,
Stuti.
Stuti.
Hello everyone.
How
So
are you
how are you
guys?
Stuti? Oh.
So fine.
We are
How are
fine,
you all?
Stuti.
We are fine, Stuti.
Okay, I can literally hear Shruti is so nervous by her voice itself. Shruti, just don't worry about it. Just relax and teach your friends what you know. Okay, what you have learned, right? So that everyone are aware of. Okay, this is what you learned. Okay, Shruti,
Yes, sir.
cool.
Yes.
Oh, she's still nervous, super nervous.
No, sir.
Okay, hey, how about we do a small brainstorming activity, which I used to do in every other session, but not in our class. We are not able to do it. I'll just give the annotate option. It's like, have you guys played a game called Scribble? Scribble? No? Yes,
No,
sir.
I have
sir.
heard of it, but
No.
I don't know, sir.
Yeah, even I have heard
Okay,
of
I'll
that.
tell you what it is. What it is, I'll tell you. See, okay, on the right side corner, you'll be seeing various options, okay? So where I can choose a pencil and I can choose the size of it. Basically from small size, where I can scribble this, and to the big size, where I can scribble like this. Okay? So the idea about this game is, each of you have to choose one color, any one color. Okay, I'm going for the red. Nobody should take red. Okay, I'm going
Blue.
for the red.
Sir,
Okay.
actually, I don't have annotation option.
Wait. You'll get now.
Sir, I want
You
blue.
got it?
Yes,
You
sir.
can pick your own color. Pick your own color. So everyone pick one color. Wait. Pick one
Yes.
color. Okay, I'm gonna pick red. Wait. Ah. See, wait. I told. Mm. Yeah, I'm also in the game, right? What, you guys are starting without me? Okay. The idea here is who's going to scribble and occupy most of the page. Okay, that is the idea here.
Sir,
Okay,
we're
ready?
not getting the animate
Ready?
option only, sir. Before everybody will get up.
Because you're starting before I say start. You're starting before I say start.
Okay, sir. Then you tell the start option. We'll tell you when we get. Then you can tell start, basically.
Okay. Again to the countdown. Okay, ready? Wait. Choose your colors. Choose your color. Everyone choose your colors. Ready? Raise your hand if you're choosing your color. I'm gonna go for red. Okay, done. See, Stuti. See, this is what this is. Come on. Yeah.
So that was actually by mistake.
No, that is called. No, I won't accept it. Okay, ready. Again, we'll just go. Now, I hope everyone will choose the color, and I'm going for red. And go. Oh my God, who is taking purple? So purple is overtaking. Wow. Okay. Cyan is more. Okay, I give up. Okay, I'm out. Cyan and purple. I want cyan and purple to go ahead. Pink is
Sir,
gone.
I'm not
Pink is
getting
gone.
the thickness only, sir. How can I
You
get
have to
it?
select it. God. No. Especially he's gone out. Hey, it's now only between purple and the cyan. Okay, purple and the cyan. Who's the purple and cyan? Wait. Other stop. Purple and cyan. Okay. Charita and Ayur. Oh, Ayur, come on. Okay, come on, Ayur. Oh, Charita. No, Ayur. Okay. Stop. Okay. So who do you guys think who's more?
Sir,
I will do
I
once again.
No.
Cyan. Sir, maybe
Cyan
cyan.
is more. No,
No, sir, I don't
see,
think so.
let's see. Wait, I'll change the color. I'm in the red, okay? So I'll mark over here. Okay. Wait, I'm not able to mark over.
Sir, below this there is so much, sir.
Yeah, I think no, it's purple. Purple have taken more.
Sir, once again, please.
It's okay. Maybe next time. It's getting time. And so Charita is the winner. The winner of the Scribble game is Charita. Okay, cool.
Thank you.
That's so fun. That was really fun. So everybody needed this, brain teaser basically. I mean, it's called what do you say?
When you get angry,
Give a
I'll
refreshing.
take a pen, I'll take a book, I'll scribble.
But that is angry.
Me, sir, so I can't.
That is super angry. But this is fun. This is so fun. So much colors, and everybody are scribbling on so much colors.
So
Okay,
actually,
cool.
once we start scribbling and other person is like up, then we have to redo again, sir. So that's the thing. It takes a long time.
So okay, it's about who's having the good fast scribbling. Okay, cool. That's so awesome. And it was so nice. Vaishnavi have went. I mean, her camera is off. I don't know what happened to her. Hey, just give me 1 second, okay? What I'll do is
Sir,
let me
by
connect
mistake,
my-
I pressed up wrong, sir, so I left off and again
It's okay. It's okay. Cool. Okay. Stuti,
Yes,
I
sir.
heard you have made some cool application, some chess clocker, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
like the image, it was written chess timer, if I'm right, like that.
Chess timer. Because
Yes.
we just given as a digital. See, we had a confusion. Okay, Stuti had just came up with the project, and she's like, she want to name whether it is a chess timer or a chess clock. She's not sure about it. Okay, she's not
Chess
clear about it
clocker
basically.
is nicer
So
than
we
chess
were like, chess clock or chess timer. Okay, just 1 minute. My network is something is lagging. I believe, if I'm not wrong. Just 1 minute. Let me just connect to the good one. I think I will come back in 3, 2, 1. I'm back. Yes. Okay, perfect. Good. Okay, so Stuti, oh, don't get nervous. Come on,
No,
it's
sir.
for
No,
fun.
sir.
See? Okay. So, Stuti, before we start the project, I would like you to just explain about it orally or something. If it's okay.
Yes. So basically, in my project, like
Mhm.
as I hope you all have heard about timers.
Mhm.
So
Yes, of course.
yeah, so it's same as that, but in this basically this timer is used for playing chess. So that's the reason chess timer basically have named it, and it's a cool and
Okay.
interesting project. I believe.
Okay. So, do you play chess by any chance?
Yes, I do.
That's why you came up with a chess timer so that you wanted to take it to the events, huh?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So I would like to see the application. Can you show me
Sir,
like
I
1
never
minute?
used my brains in games, sir.
Huh?
I never used brain games. I never play. I'll play. Full
Maybe,
mental
maybe
tension,
maybe
sir.
I'll give you maybe I'll give you a problem statement to solve it. Hey, did I give you the problem statement? Okay, I'll
Sir,
come back
how
to that
can
at the end of
Stuti
the
share
session.
her? Sir, she don't even have the option to share now, I
She
think.
knows to take it. She knows to take it
Yes.
from me. Okay. Yes, Shruti, yeah, go ahead and quickly show me how is the application.
So can you see it?
What
I
happened to are you
No,
so
it's not
silent?
visible.
It's loading.
Sir, my camera is working now, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
It's not visible for me. It's loading.
It's loading. Is it for?
It's visible now.
Perfect. Welcome to the project chess. Sorry, welcome to the chess timer project. I just did upside down.
Yes. So basically
Okay, so
here
click here.
there
What
are
happens?
yes. So here there are two basically two players, black and white.
Black
So
and white.
we'll
Yeah.
click on black. You can see
Perfect.
the time is getting started, and if I'm not wrong, you could hear something.
No, we couldn't hear.
Oh,
Actually,
the
you're on
audio you
headphones.
won't be able to hear big headphones. It's okay, fine, no problem, Mr. T. Go ahead. Yeah. So what happens when white player have to click? They have to click white, right?
Yes, we are going to click now. So basically, this is stopped and this is started.
Okay, exactly in the chess time out work basically, and I believe yeah. So you have 60 seconds of game. This is, huh?
Yes, so basically 1 minute timer is it like it is. So we are clicking on pause.
Mhm.
So like this is already paused and this is paused now. Now we are resetting or repeating it. So it's again to black and white. And again, if we click,
That is
it's
60 seconds.
yes. So let's begin with our project. So the first
And I
step you
heard
have
the
to
name chess in the invitation you gave. I was like, okay, I should prepare my mind.
Okay, nice one. Okay, Stuti, I believe we can just take it over from here. I'm going to go on mute, so the session is going to be yours completely. In case anything, I'll interrupt. Okay.
okay. So the
Okay,
first
Stuti, cool.
so the first step is to take a new tab and type co.org. Once you can see the screen, like how I'm able to, you have to log in. So basically, mine is login. So just what all you have to do is create, click on create and click on App Lab, which moves you to a new project. Basically, the first step is to rename a project. So let's just rename it. So we can rename it to Digital Chess Timer, or you can give a relevant name to it, and you can save it. So the first part, as you all know, is Design tab. So can anyone guess, like as you saw in one sec. So I just got a question. So as you all saw in the first screen, so here you can see greetings, welcome to the chess timer project. So can anyone guess what type of
That
element we
is
are choosing?
Label. I think it's label.
Label.
Correct. So before taking the label, we should change the theme to default, maybe to berry patch, or you can just choose. So I hope everyone has chosen it.
Yes, Stuti.
So I will just ask all of you one by one. You can just tell. Ayur, can you just tell what you have taken?
I have chosen area 50.
Okay, that sounds very good. Lenora, what about you? We can't hear you.
Yeah, Lenora, we're not able to hear.
It's
No, we're not
okay.
able to hear.
We'll just check after her mic is audible. Charita, what about you?
I have to glow in dark.
Okay, and Vaishnavi?
Very bad.
And what about Sarubi? Actually, her video is off, but I can see she's in the meeting. Maybe no response from her. So we'll be taking a label basically. Just a sec. And we'll keep it over here. Maybe. And then we can just keep the ID as label. And we can just type. I hope everyone has finished typing it. So by the time everyone types it, we'll just
We should
change the
just type, I'm just confirming, Stuti, we should just type greetings, welcome to the chess timer project, like that.
yes. Greetings is basically just greeting anyone in general. You can just give hi, hello, and anything you like, and make sure the text alignment is center. And you can just change the font size to maybe 20. And we'll just check how is it. Maybe this is good. So we can just you can just change the font family as you wish. I'm taking comic, and you can keep the border radius to 25 maybe. Yes, so 25 is looking good. So now, as you can see here, there's a picture also. So basically, you need to download it. So you all can go and download it like download it soon, and just I will be uploading it as I have already downloaded it. So it is there. You just need to click choose, and I believe it's taking time for all of you. So uh, we'll just wait for some time.
Stuti, see, I have chosen, okay, but it's not coming exactly like for you, exactly fitted, no? Like, so how? What did you keep the font size? Can I just know?
Of like you meant for the label, right?
No, the font size and that. Just can you tell me? I can check.
Yeah, the font size is 20, and the width is 275, and height is 75. Just a second. So I'll just be polling that everyone has completed. Make sure you just poll if yes or no.
275. Height is?
Height is 75. You can see my screen. That's all. I believe Lenora has said no. Okay, we'll just wait for Lenora. I believe even Ayor is no. We'll just wait for 2 minutes by the time they complete.
And like, what did you keep the text family?
Text family you can put as you wish. I put a comic.
Okay.
Are Lenora and Ayor done with it? Okay, Lenora says yes. What about Ayor?
I did not complete it, Stuti.
Okay, just inform once you're done.
Okay.
Can we go further? Ayor?
Okay.
Okay, I hope everyone has done till here.
Yeah, we have done.
So now it's a simple thing. As you can see here, there is a button. Uh,
Yeah.
so let's just drag and drop the button. We can just rename the ID button one to click button maybe. And you can just change the text to click here. And we can just change the font size to maybe 20, and the font family to comic. I feel 20 is big, so we'll just keep it as 90, which fits perfect. Now, this screen one's coding, like the design part is done. We'll just need to drag and drop a screen, or you can even do it, like click on the screen one and do it to new screen. So I'm just doing new screen, and automatically clicking by that it comes. So we just need, so before doing, like before starting anything else, we'll just change the image for this also, which will look good. You can download another one if you will, because I feel both of them, one will be perfect. So now, um, as you can see, there are uh, two buttons. I hope everyone has guessed it by seeing my output of my project that it's a button.
Yes. Yes. So we need to make that button big.
Yes, we need to. Um, so um, uh, I can just tell you the width and height so that you do it easily.
Stuti, one question. Why did you put in the screen to the chess timer that like we have downloaded the image? Why did you put that?
Yes, because like it would be a feel of chess, like in both those screens. Here it's like it's just telling that it's something related to chess, and like here there's a timer, so it will be like it's something related to chess. Like the chess timer is basically, but for it, so we can. So I just tell you the width and height. So it is 320 and 175, and you can just change the button. Like there is a text to black or black player. I'm putting black player, and you can even change the ID also to black underscore and player. You can just give a relevant name to it.
Stuti, can you say what is the width and height?
Yeah, width is 320 and height is 175.
Okay.
So we'll just change the background color to gray, and you can see gray is there, but here you can see it's a bit transparent, in like through which we can see the board also. So you can just click on it, and then here you can see something down, like there is a color.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that you can see down, like there is a color a slider. There is down, there is transparency slider also. So you can just make it a bit transparent, like maybe this much, and you can like if you feel this is too small, we can just change the height to 185 also. And then
185 is actually better.
yeah, so you can just do it, and then we'll just duplicate it and just put it down, and only few changes to do. That's why we are duplicating it. So this black layer, you can just do it to white layer, and
You can increase the font size to the.
yeah, we will be doing it. We just rename and do all the important thing, and then we'll be back with that. So now,
Stuti, did you even rename the ID?
yeah, we renamed like for the black layer, like here you can see in the picture. The picture you can see black is on top, so referring that only I put black up and white down. So we'll just change the size as Vaishnavi said, font size to 35 or 40. 40 might be too big, so I'll put 35 itself. And you can just, like here it's mentioned black, so we can just change the text color to black itself. And white layer, we'll just change the size to 35. So you can see it's so good. You can even rename it as black, because here it will be more good if we are telling like black player. That's the reason we did. We'll maybe change it to times. Times I feel is good. Like the font family is changed. So these two buttons are done. Now we need to take, as you can see here, there is one redo or repeat button, and here you can see a pause button. So just drag and drop another button, and it can be of this height. I can just tell width is 150 and height is 80, and 150 and 80, this is perfect. So we can just rename it. We'll later rename it. Before that, we'll just duplicate it. Okay, so let's just duplicate it. So here we can just rename this
Okay.
to, yeah.
Here, you took again buttons, isn't it, in between?
Yeah, it should be fitting like between both of them.
Okay.
I can just tell you that is width 150 and height 80, and you can just fit it properly. And we're just leaving a bit of gap so that the board is also being seen. And this, like here, if you want, you can put it transparent. Like we'll just change the color to maybe green. And here you can see it's a bit dark green, so we'll just change it to light green. If you want, you can make it transparent, like this much. But I feel transparent this is not too good. So we can just change the color and rename it to redo button, and the text should be nothing. And you can see here image. So click on choose. We don't need to download it because here we can click on icons, and here you can type redo or repeat, and you can see like here it is also over here. So this is done. Now we'll just go to the other one which we duplicated. We can change that to pause button. That is the ID of it. And as we did in the other one, we can just remove the text, and you can just change the background color. Like you can just type red, and it will be there. And how we did for repeat, we'll do the same thing. Image, go to icons, and pause. You can use pause circle and a pause circle O also, but I feel this is good, so I'm putting this. So the the design part is done. So before moving to the code part, uh,
2 minutes, please.
yeah,
So
I'll
that
just be
you say the width and height again.
of with like what the pause button.
Buttons. Yeah, 150 and 80. Okay.
Yeah, it's the same basically. Like these two buttons are the same. That is 320 and 185, and redo and pause are 150 and 80. So before moving to the code, I'll just poll, and you can just tell if you have completed till here or not. You know, what Charita is doing. I feel Vaishnavi has not yet. Yes. So only Charita is doing. Once you finish, you just inform Charita.
Stuti finished.
Actually, you're in mute.
I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. So So I would like to ask a few questions before we start. That is, like, you saw the output of my project, that is this. So can you just tell, like, which of the options over here, like UI control variables, so which is the most used in a project? Can anyone can just tell?
That's normal actually, Stuti. I think all UI
Oh,
controls will be used more.
okay. The next one.
Variable.
Okay.
Okay,
Next can be control
correct. So
and then
these,
math.
yeah. So
Math last.
yes, so you all have guessed all of them correct. So like we'll just start with the coding. So here, first thing is that, like, here you can just click on screen one. You can see here the click button should be clicked so that the screen two is being coming, right? So it should be coming. So we'll just take on event, and it should be click button, and just scroll more down of your controls. Here you can see set screen, and just drag and drop in it. It should be screen 2. So let's just
Stuti,
check.
can you go a bit slower?
Okay, just a sec. So I hope everyone is done till here. Uh, as Vaishnavi said, we'll go a bit
No,
slow.
Stuti, actually, can you wait, please?
Okay, okay, I will.
The screen should be on screen 2, right?
Yes, the set screen should be screen 2.
Yeah, Stuti, done.
Okay, we'll just wait for Charita completing it.
Yes, Stuti.
So I hope everyone has completed till here. Now let's go to variables. Now we need to take two variables for the two buttons. Okay, so let's take two variables. We just need to take the first one, which is declare a variable. Just drag and drop both of them, and we can just keep the first one as x and second one as y, and the score will keep it as 60. That 60 seconds or 1 minute. So the default value of it is 60 for both of them.
Stuti, just for the first one, you kept as X and Y, isn't it?
Yes. You
Okay.
can just give your own, like, anything A or B, anything. I'm just putting X
And
and Y.
for the another oval, what did he give? 60.
60.
Yeah,
60 minutes?
60 and 60. Both of them are 60. So basically, 60 means 1 minute or 60 seconds of the timer.
So basically, even we can give 5, right?
5. Yeah, but we'll do that later. Okay.
Okay.
So, like, as Vaishnavi said, we'll use Y, like 5. So, can you just tell why we'll use 5 as the value of it later? I think nobody will get the answer. That is because here, like, just like after doing the coding, we just need to test it. So instead of doing to 60 seconds or 1 minute, for just testing, we'll just do it as 5. I hope everyone understood why Vaishnavi said we'll use 5.
Yeah, yeah, I understood.
Yeah, so now we'll just continue. Now let's do the coding for first button. That is the black layer button. So
So for
now,
click here, the coding is done, you meant.
yeah, click here or click buttons, coding is done. It's very small that when the click here should be clicked, it should set the screen to screen 2. That's it. So now we go to UI controls and take on event, and the ID should be black layer. So now now, as you all know, this is like when this is clicked, six, like it's beyond reducing, like it's the time loop we are using. So we'll just go to control and take timed loop and drag and drop in the on event. And let's like here you can see my project. Here you can see that it's being on reducing one like I hope you understood what I'm saying. Like here
The
60,
time, see,
59.
I understood. The time is getting reduced for that. I think you're doing the code now, right?
Can you repeat? I didn't get you.
See, the timer from 60 is getting reduced like 59, 58, 57. So for that, I think you're doing the coding.
Exactly. So we just need to take assign a variable or the third one and let it be to x because x is for a black player. So now you can type or take from math block like score. Okay, or sorry, I mean x. X should be minus by 1. Just click out, it will be there. Or you can come here and do as I said.
Stuti, as soon as you put X and then it went, that yellow thing went. For me, it's not going. Okay,
I didn't get you.
okay, it's okay. That
Okay,
X minus it is or is equals to it is?
wait, I will just redo. Here you're saying that this is there, right?
Yeah, that's not going only for me.
Okay, the thing is very simple that, see, here we are declaring the variable, but we are not using it anywhere in a project. So until and unless we use the project, it in the project, it will be there. Now we'll just do again minus 1, and here you can see it is come. So this is also gone, right? So now we need to wait. We'll just check. Okay, so we'll just check. I just put the value to 5. Let's see what's happening.
So basically, if we type X minus 1, it will come off. You mean, na?
Yes, it will come. You should just like put gap in middle, like x gap minus gap 1. So that it
And
will,
click on the block. Don't forget to click on the block. If you click on it, it won't come. You
yes,
should click
like
on the block.
not necessary. We can click anywhere. Like I'll just show you. X, there is a space, and minus, there's a space. You can click here. Here you're not getting, I think. Here we click out, it's coming. So
Okay,
that's
now we should define the Y. So I think same process is.
no. Wait, we have not completed yet. So here now you can see it's not like showing, right? So that's the thing, we need to take set number so that this number is being set of a black player button of x. Basically x is the variable, as you all know. So like it should be showing accordingly. You can just put this up. So you can see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It should stop at 0, but it's going minus 1. So the thing is, we need to do the coding for that also, which is small, not too big. So we need to take if, like if, the, so we'll just take, so you can type if x space is equal to space 0. So it is come, and then it should be stop time looped. So you can stop time loop, and then here we had to set the number so that it's working accordingly to the x, right? So for stopping also we need, right? So that's the thing. We'll again take a set number.
Stuti, can you
Stuti,
slow?
can you see what?
Can you be slow?
I didn't get you all.
Like, can you be a little slow and
Okay.
see which block did you take?
Yeah, after
Okay.
stop, like see, first we have done that X is equals to 0, then stop time loop, and then
Yeah. So I'll just explain you in a simple way. See, now like this, when the variable's value is changing, like it's reducing by 1, the number should be displayed, right? So that's the reason we are taking set number black player X, right? Did you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. So that's the thing which I'm telling. See, now when the uh, variable X is
Now, if
stopping,
we run it, it's stopping at 1.
okay, you'll just check if you're checking. Now it should also show the number to 0, right? So like how here set number black player to X, the same way the set number black player to 0 should also be seen. As Vaishnavi said, it's stopping at 1 but not at 0. So that's the reason we need to take set number. I hope everyone understood.
Yes.
Okay. So
Number
we'll just
black player to 0, right?
yes. Whichever, like if you're doing white player like first, you should do everything white player. And if you're doing black player like me, you can change it to black player
Yeah, now
itself.
it's stopping at 0, Stuti.
Okay. We'll also check once.
But now, even we should define the y. Na?
Yes, Charita.
So
Vaishnavi will be doing that.
did you
Yes.
take set number because your screen is little blurred for me?
Is it? I'll just reshare because yeah, we have taken set number. I'll just reset so that it'll be easy. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes.
Stuti.
It's loading actually for me.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll wait, Charita, till it loads.
Actually, I don't know what's the issue. It's loading for a lot.
For me also now it started loading. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's visible.
Yeah, now it's visible.
So you can see it is set number black player to 0, right? That's
Yeah.
why it is showing to 0 and stopping at that only. So we'll just uh, change the like x and y both of them to 5, so that later we'll do that. Now here it's showing it's not used, right? So we just need to do is like we just need to copy it and just paste it. I hope everyone has done that. I'll just give some time for them.
We should control C and control V, right?
Yes. First you need to select the whole on event, and then we should
Can
control.
you do it once again? Because like for me, if I'm doing, it's not coming only. Like I don't know why.
Okay, just we need to change the IDs to white player. Is it that only?
Yes. And there are only few changes, which you said is one, and there is one more. Okay. So Vaishnavi, you were saying something actually. I couldn't get you.
Now it's coming. Thank you.
So as Shrita
And
said,
change the variable x to y.
correct. I knew it. You will get the thing. Get what I'm saying. One more. So change all the black to white, and then all the x to
Actually, when I was
y.
changing the black to white, I remember that variable is x will get the number in black only. So we need to change the variable in y. I figured out that time.
Yeah, correct. So I'll just give some time for everyone to complete it. And then I'll raise a poll and you can all can say you have completed. Okay.
Yes.
So actually, when I'm clicking, after I finished white, when I'm clicking on black, actually I started from 5 and it got towards 0 and I stopped it. Then again, when I'm clicking, it is showing 0, but it's not like coming
Yeah,
again.
same is happening to me.
Oh, I didn't
Name
get
in the
you.
black. Name in the black.
Wait.
Once after the black reaches to 0, again it's not restarting.
Yes, Ria. Actually, yeah. Then after it gets to 0, click on white player. Okay. Click on white. For me, it's going minus if I'm clicking on white.
No, again click on 0, it won't restart again. So like it's happening.
Yeah. See, I know what you were saying. That is, see, because we are having this. We should
See,
use
for me,
that.
1 is not showing, only it's directly going to 0.
I think there is some issue. You just reload. You all just reload if there is the same issue. Because for me, it's showing 1 for both of them.
How about you share the screen, Vaishnavi? Stuti, can you ask her to share the screen? Give her the option.
Yes, sir. Just giving.
Stuti, it's even happening same for me. I refreshed 3 times, but it's happening same to me.
We'll just see. I'm not sure about what's the issue for you because I'm able to see. I'll just get back with
Actually, when we
you.
again click black and when you're clicking the white, it's starting from 0 and 0. That's it. Nothing is coming. It's not
Yeah.
starting from again 5.
Yeah, Chaita, that is because we have a
How
green
about
block.
1 minute? How about Stuti? Can you just put instead of 0 in the 12th line, put x, call the variable instead of putting the number directly?
Just check.
Let's try how it's gonna come. Just click on run and check. 3, 2, 1. No, it's coming directly to that. Okay.
For us, sir, it is directly when you click on black, it is coming 0, and when you're clicking on white, also it is coming as 0.
It's the sequential one. So
So for me also now the issue same has come. I don't know.
Stuti, you
okay.
forgot set number white player need to keep. No, why you kept black player?
I put it white layer. Is it Vaishnavi's screen? You have see.
Yeah, this is Vaishnavi's screen. Vaishnavi's screen.
I have done actually. That's why I've seen.
Okay, but we checked right now, just now, right? Shuti's thing was working.
Yes, sir. Now also if we check, it's working.
So for me, it's not working.
So I don't know what's the issue, sir. Right.
Sir, for
Vaishnavi's
me,
screen
I
is
also
unshared.
have an issue.
Okay, no problem, just relax. Okay, who's having the issue? Now, let's come one by one. Shruti, can you share your screen, Shruti? Let's check yours itself. What is happening?
So for me, it's happening 1.
Okay, strange. Share your screen.
Okay, sir. So I'll just reload the page.
No,
Because
share
for
your
me,
screen.
it's
I'm not able to. not able to see
No,
full
if
screen.
you're I reloaded it more than 10 times. But it's
Okay,
not
okay, relax. 1 minute. Okay, Shruti, share your screen.
yes, sir. Just show. Sir, actually for me, the like now I think there's some debug issue. It's like it's getting stuck actually. So I need to reload, I guess.
No. Debug issue is not there. Okay, cool. Just click on run and click on start. Let's see quickly.
So for me also now it
Okay,
happened.
okay, cool. So what is happening is within the 1 second, it's checking at the 2. So
It's not starting from 5, sir. It's directly.
Can you put if condition above the set number is there, right? On the 8th line. Yeah, above that.
Sir, for me, her screen is loading.
Yeah, check it's working. Check now. Let's see what is happening. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. So it's basically what is happening is it's a sequential. It is coming like step by step, number by number. It is taking. Okay. So what happened
Sir,
is
what did she do, sir? I just now left and joined because it was not.
Vaishnavi, sir, can I just tell her?
Yes. Go ahead.
Yes, Vaishnavi. So here, like what we did like this. So here it was minusing and it was going directly to zero. And sir said just keep it over here, like time loop, and then directly the if should come, others should be down, and then now if we try, it's coming.
The reason is it is on the sequential part. That is the reason it is coming like that. Okay. So what it will do is first it will check whether in the variable is equal to 0 or not. It will check. So when it is not there, it will go to the next line. Okay, but initially what it is happening is it is checking. Then after that it is showing whether it's
Yes,
correct or
sir.
not.
Now it's working.
Okay then, cool. So now go ahead and complete the
Sir,
project.
I have an issue, sir. Actually.
Chirita. Okay. What is
I
the
just
Charita? Can you quickly tell? I think Lenora is going to leave because she is having some emergencies. It seems to be. It's okay, Lenora. No problem. I think it's almost 12:30, right? I believe we are going to complete the programming in another 5 minutes. Just to think.
yes, sir, it'll be done. It's very small coding left. That's it.
Okay.
Sir, I'm here.
Sir, I have an issue actually, sir.
Yes, Charita. Yes.
I'll just give you share option.
Yes, Stuti.
One second.
You can see my screen, Stuti.
Not here. Yes, I can.
So I did as you said. I did this. Then I kept on event and I did this. So next, when I click on-
1 minute. Can you see this debug is still loading on the show debug commands on the below? It's still loading. It's not supposed to load when you are not pressing run. So just refresh your page. It will be all right. You see, right? Debug commands, it should load only when you click on run. So if it is loading, so you just refresh your screen.
Yes,
Now
sir.
it will work.
See, so still it's starting from 0 only.
Wait. Reset. Run.
Click here. Black, it says 0, sir, and white also it says 0, sir.
Strange. Okay, so that is the case. We need to check the ID and everything, right? Okay, let's come with the black first. Let's finish the black first. Go up.
Yes, sir.
Go up. Okay. Now, first thing is click.
Sir,
Go to the
I
screen.
think in that set screen something else she has given.
No. She have given. Oh, you're given 0. Sits below the if. In the 12th line. 12th line. Check the 12th line.
This, sir.
Yeah, check. You're given playback. You're given 0, so it will come only 0.
So should we give it as X?
Yes, you should give it as.
Yes, correct, Vaishnavi. Very good. So you call the variable. Yeah, click on X. Now you just
Sir, because
go.
from here I was not able to see it, like it's blur, sir. So I thought that it said screen.
It was blur, sir, so I thought it was only 0, sir.
Is it? Okay, no problem. Just listen whatever she's telling, not just see, but also hear. Okay, listen a lot.
Yeah,
Perfect.
sometimes her voice won't be so clear, sir. So only I will not be able to listen her.
You can ask one more time. No problem in that. Okay. So I think Stuti, yeah, please take it over and complete the programming as well.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. I think it's loading for you guys.
Yeah,
Just
actually,
checking.
it loads for a longer time. I don't know why for you, but
Yeah.
yeah, tape.
Sir, Stuti, I have a question.
Okay, continue.
So, actually, I just refreshed my page, and when I'm clicking on click here, it's not changing to a screen too.
Actually,
Yeah, continue.
Actually, the thing is, I think you refresh once again. I think it will come. If it doesn't come, I will give you the share option. Okay, because even I have the same issue. I just reload, it comes. So
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah,
did you get it?
just a minute. Yeah, so I just got the second page and I have another question. So when I pressed on black, it is going from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. But when I'm clicking on white, it is going directly to 0.
Lenora, actually, even Sarita had the same issue. Make sure that your white player and the set number in the time loop, that is the second one, should be Y.
Yeah, it's Y, and should the below one of the set number Y should also be Y.
Lenora, why don't you share your screen?
Yeah, so
Wait.
can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So, yeah, when I reset it, I click on run, click here. It's going to directly 0.
See, I said you, Lenora, that the 22nd line, the white should be Y. Like white should, 0 should be Y.
Yeah, so let me just check.
So it's working, Lenora.
Yeah, thank you.
I have done till here, Stuti.
Okay.
So
Even
you can move forward because it's already 12:30.
Yeah. It'll be getting over soon itself. You don't need to take, it will not be extended more actually. So I believe you can see my screen. So now, like as you all know, here we have taken two more buttons, that is redo and pause button. So we have to code for that also. So it's a very simple coding. So we'll just code for the pause button first. Okay.
And Stuti, there was another thing. When you started black player, it is coming from 60. And when again you clicked a white player, it stopped in between and again it started at white.
I didn't get you.
Actually, in the thing you showed, you started black and it started from 60. And at the 41, you clicked that the white player. And the black player timer got stopped and the white player timer got started.
Yeah. So that is what, like when we need to, like the first player is completed, so we are clicking on the other player is starting. Okay, did you get? See, this player, suppose here by that time she is completed, so it's, see, I don't wait, I just need to reload.
Okay, so in the 26th line, what should be the ID? Can you just tell us?
ID should be pause button or whatever you have given for the red button. Wait, I will just do this. We'll just complete and be back to you, Charita. I know what you are doing, but we'll just complete it, okay? So,
Okay, pause button when it's not coming for me, it's coming pause. Okay.
yeah, that is the name which you're giving, okay? So now when the pause button is clicked, both the timed loop should be stopped. So basically we need to take stop time loop. So only one will be enough. So we'll just check. 4, 5, and 4. See, it stopped at 0. It stopped at 3. I mean, yeah. So for pause button it's done. Now let's do for the redo. So let's just drag and drop, and we'll just put the ID as redo button, and we need to put one stop time loop if suppose they have forgot they forgot pausing it, and they are just directly doing it. So that time it should stop the time loop which is going on. So that's the reason we are taking even for this. Now, now, like when we click on redo, it should even reset the value of the variables to 60 basically. So x is equal to 60, we'll just make. And now the value is being to 60, but it should even show it. So as we did earlier, we need to take set number, and you can take set number. Yeah. So we'll just change the x to y for the second one, and that should also be 60. And the ID for the first one is black.
Once again, I got internet issues. So can you just after stop time loop? What did you do?
Yeah. So like see when if anyone forgets clicking on the pause button and directly redoing, so we are taking stop time load. And the next thing is like the value also should change. So that's the reason we have taken these x and y is equal to 60, 60. And then now we have now
No, I understood the second one. First one is x is equals to 60, right? Which
correct.
variable it is? Can you just tell?
Yeah, it is the older variable itself. We are just changing the value of it basically. Did you get it, Vaishnavi?
Yes. Can you just wait for 2 minutes?
Yeah, I'll just complete and wait for you, okay? So now, as I said, set number we should take 2, and first one should be black player, and second one should be white player. You can put we have to put x, and you can put y. Let's check if you are putting x and y, it's coming or not. And by the time who have not completed the coding can do it. So it has come to 60 again. So basically, it's done. Yeah, Charita, I have come back to you. Can you tell what we're telling again?
Stuti, can you just go up a little bit up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you click on reset and can you click on run again?
Okay, sir.
And click the black player
Sir,
and click onto the white player. Did you notice something?
Yes, sir. This is also being played. That's what I'm telling the
stop.
coding of, sir.
Stop time. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
go ahead and do. I think you completed that and you forgot that. Okay.
Sir, actually there's this thing. So when I'm clicking on reset, it's just showing 60, but it's not again starting over.
You need to click again.
You need to click again. Cool.
See, Charita. 5, 4, and even here clicking. So 5, and then resetting, and then you need to click it again.
Okay,
So it's
now
happening again.
Yeah.
And we'll just need to put stop time loop in the on event, but not just timed loop, so that it
Where
happens.
did you put stop time loop? Can you?
Here you can see, because see when the on event is clicked and the time loop is happening, so that time the other one should stop. So that's the reason we are keeping stop time loop here. So we'll just check by the time he
Now
can
the
see.
black player and the white player, Stuti.
1 second. So it's still happening. We need to do it for that also. Just we'll just check Chinta. So you can see the other one is stopped now. I hope you all understood.
Yes.
Stuti,
Yes.
you kept the stop time loop under the on event black player click and on event white player click, no?
Yes.
And still any other way, like after the pause button or anything like that?
Stuti, is the project done?
Yeah, yes, but I just have a small thing just to tell.
Okay, so you can go.
Actually,
go ahead.
Charita was saying something. Can you just continue?
I was just asking that did you keep again stop time loop below pause player and green pause button and the like
Yeah, here there one like one in
not
all.
like these. Okay, only these. Okay.
I hope you got it. And now, like I have a thing to say, that is like, do you want to just make it a bit more better? It will be over in 2 minutes only. It's a simple coding. That's it.
Okay, we'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll just play speech. Like once the timer is started, we'll just play speech. Like we can just put your time has started. Time started. We can just put like black player something. At the time has been started. So you can just copy this and just paste it under the on event or above the stop time loop, and just change it the black one to white. That we can like if we're starting in just not looking at it, at least we can hear that your time has been started, just to confirm. Okay, now we'll just do for this also, that like if x is equal to 0, it can even place speech that a black player time is over, right? So basically you can copy that one, okay, and then your time.
1 second, Stuti, can you go down? Because when I was putting the play speech or something, I don't know what did I do in this white player. So can you just show that?
Yeah, here.
Y, okay. Y minus
Stuti,
1.
where did you keep the play speech black? Your time is over black player, that thing.
It's basically like in the 1 second, Vaishnavi. Here, if x is equal to 0, there like stop time loop about that. Vaishnavi, you can just check what you are checking.
Stuti, for end, where did you put your time has been ended?
Ended time is over basically. It's basically here, like here in the black player, if x is equal to 0, then play speech black player time is over. So you just do that, and by the time we'll just do it for white also. We have not done it. So just change the black to white by copy and pasting it. So you can just check. I'll just be on the speaker and just reshare so that you can hear it.
Oh my god, again, why did you
I'll
stop
just
it? I was
reshare.
just
By the time
seeing
you can
that.
complete.
Can you just reshare?
Stuti completed.
Stuti, your voice I'm not able to hear. What about others? Others can hear Stuti's voice?
No, sir, we can't hear
Stuti, did you remove your mic or something?
No, we still can't hear you.
We cannot hear you, Stuti. Stuti, can you
Stuti,
please
we are
refresh
not-
your screen?
Or you
Stuti-
can leave and join once.
Sir, can you hear me now? Because I think
Yes.
there was some issue.
Yes,
we can
unshare
hear you.
your screen. I mean, reshare your screen once again because your screen is not shared.
Oh, is it, sir?
Have everyone completed or are you guys stuck in somewhere?
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Vaishnavi is stuck, I believe.
Sir, it's in the line 28, it's showing something error that it's telling that set number ID parameter value 4 is not a string, but I did not give any value for that.
Vaishnavi, I think you need to share. Sir, can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see the screen. Ask her to share the screen so that we'll be understanding what she's
Sir,
trying
I
to
don't
do.
know to take the screen share from anybody.
No, she's
I
sharing
gave
it.
you.
You're not a moderator, so you won't be able to take it.
Can you share your screen?
Sir,
I just paste my project in the chat.
Yeah,
Hmm.
sure.
Hey, what is this? You just given y-1 over there, set number.
It should not be y minus 1.
On the ID, what are you given?
so this, sir.
Why?
What?
No, it should be that white
Wait,
player,
one
not
minute,
y
one
minus.
minute. Wait, 1 minute, 1
Sir,
minute.
I'll check out.
Wait. Calm down. So,
Okay.
remove that. Ah.
Now it'll come, I think, sir.
I'm just opening.
Click onto the right. Perfect. Cool.
Very
So
good, Charita. You did a very good project.
Sir, is
Oh.
my screen sharing stopped?
Not yet.
Sir, I just added some little effects, sir. I want
Is
you
it?
guys to guess it without seeing.
That is
What
actually, I
effect?
think she put some sound with the play speech actually. I don't know, sir. I don't know.
I put sound from play sound. Play sound. I kept vibrate
Nice.
game sound.
That only.
Nice. Something like, it is like some Chinese music, like. Okay,
Yes,
good.
I
It was
said
really nice.
that only.
Yeah, nice, good. Stuti, is there anything else you want to tell?
No,
Or
sir.
shall I
I
take
would
it
just
over?
like to take the feedbacks from everyone.
Any challenge from
We'll give our
I
feedbacks
would
in
like
the
to give.
group.
This time challenge I would like to give. I would like
sir
to
would
give.
like to give.
Yeah, because I seen now, right? I've got a quick idea. Let's see who's going to do it. Okay. So before that, Shruti was asking for some feedback. I'll just give my challenge at the last. Okay.
Sir, I want to give the first feedback because I always be last only, sir.
Because
Okay,
you're the one
Vaishnavi.
who is talking the most in the class.
Next to me, sir.
Okay, cool. No problem, Vaishnavi. Yeah, go ahead, Vaishnavi.
Stuti, it was a nice session. Only you were going a bit faster. That you should I was telling you in the middle, go slower, but also you were not listening exactly. You were going slow, but again you were getting up your speed. So I should look I should put my eyes full and then I should do so that we just.
Wait, Shruti's taken this one.
But it was a
I
very
don't know, sir,
nice
what
session.
happened.
We're going. We'll play this game again and go.
But it was a
Yes.
very nice session, Stuti.
I will make sure
Okay.
I'll go next time.
Okay, cool.
Sir,
Next,
I will go.
are you next, Charita? I told her after that. Okay, are you? After Charita.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Charita, go ahead.
Sir, you said Charita ko Ayur, sir.
I said to Ayur that after Charita, you will tell your feedback. Okay. Now, Charita, it's your turn. You said right after Vaishnavi, you want to tell? Yeah.
Because her session was so nice. She was a bit nervous that she She was very nervous, sir, but she went very fine. She went good, and it is like at the last minute when teacher should finish some portions, they'll hurry. It's like that. In last minute, there's only some time. Let's hurry. It's like hurry. It was so fun. It was so fun, and like about chess we learned. And I
Okay.
think I practiced my brain for chess, but there's no playing chess. I have saved.
Okay, no problem. Good. Next is Ayur, right? Ayur.
Sir, actually, she did the session nicely, sir. Actually, I know how to play chess, so it was very nice for a timer, sir. And many people who don't have chess boards, sir, they can use this timer, sir. Instead of using an, you can use
You know,
this.
I remember I just went once for the zonal to state. I don't remember. There I was stuck because I didn't have the clock basically to play with. That was a very long time when I was in 6th grade or something. So
Sir,
this sort of
because
thing will be helpful.
Because we need to download some apps or buy one timer, sir. We can only code our app and use this timer, sir.
Yeah. We can just quickly share on the WhatsApp and quickly use this timer and play. Right? Yes. Nice one, Ayur.
Yes,
Nice one.
sir.
Yes. Lenora, you would like to have a few words?
Yes, so this project was really nice to see. It was appreciable, and I used to play chess with my father, and I was just thinking that why don't I have a timer? So within my dream just came true that coding this timer. So thanks a lot, Stuti.
So and Stuti, Saurabhi have given a feedback because I think she's having some audio issue. I'm not sure what exactly. She was telling that it was a nice session and liked the project even more. I also have a chessboard. Looks like everyone have a chessboard to play, but they didn't have a timer. Looks like you taught them how to make a timer. This is a good thing.
I won't play chess.
Sir, I have chess with timer.
But oh, is it Vaishnavi? Cool. But Charita, you're a classical dancer, right? So where do you want to
So my
concentrate on
time
chess
gets
also,
over
right?
in my dance choreographies and
Sir,
my
is Stuti
music
going to give any challenge to us? Like,
I told I'm going to give. I'm going to give because I just came up with right now.
Say a challenge, sir.
Okay, cool. So let's go ahead with the challenge. See, whatever Shruti have showed, right? It has a fixed time of 60 seconds. Okay, but usually we can just customize that time also. If it is available, right, that will be really cool according to the players. Okay, so I want a customizable timer instead of just starting default by 60, right? I want the user to enter the value. Instead of 60,
Sir,
they can
actually,
just
your
give...
voice is breaking. I can explain.
Yes,
my
sir.
voice is breaking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Breaking little.
okay. Just 1 minute.
So what you're saying is it should
Sir,
not go from 60 when the player
whatever time we give, that time should be starting, right, sir?
Exactly.
Sir,
If we give 1 hour, so it should start from 1
Sir, can
hour.
I tell you a challenge, sir?
Wait. 1 minute. Relax. One by one. Yes, Lenora.
Sir, so the challenge was that in Stuti's project we have given the value for 1 minute, but but the challenge is that the player who is playing should give the value to play the chess.
Perfect.
So
That is what I want.
when the player keeps when it is 60, the player should type 60 and then it should start something like that.
Okay, I'll just give a
No.
clue. Wait, 1 minute. Wait, I'll just give a clue. So basically in the variable, we just put x is equal to 60 and we started. Yes?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, but what I want is, I want the time should start according to the user.
Okay, I got.
Like example, if
you.
I don't want it 60 seconds, I say I just want it at 300 seconds. Okay? I want it at 300 seconds, so the value should enter from there. Okay, don't worry about, see, you want to give 1 minute and so second. Okay, just let's stick with only seconds. 300 seconds, 600 seconds. Because
you
achieve that is really good.
As many seconds should come. Like If the user wants 30 seconds, it should come from 30. If the user wants 90 seconds, it should come from 90. If the user wants 100 minutes,
Exactly.
it should come from 100. Like that.
Yes, exactly. And don't worry about minutes and all the stuff. Okay, don't worry about that. Let it be on the seconds. That would do. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Complete this
sir.
challenge. Let's see. Then this challenge is for Stuti as well. Okay.
Oh
Stuti
my
also, because I
god.
just
It's
I
her
just came
project
up
and you're
right now.
giving it.
So
She
even
have done it. She have done it, and I told I'll give you the challenge. That's why she was waiting. She had some other in mind, but I told, okay, no, I'll give my own challenge. I'm going to give it to you also. Okay, so let's see. I told she was waiting. She was waiting for the challenge basically.
Sir,
Okay then.
I
Cool.
just didn't
do
know
this
that she's gonna
challenge,
give me a
sir.
challenge or what like that.
I'm sorry.
Even Stuti can do this challenge.
Yes,
I
she
will
have
have
not. She have to do it because she was working on this project for quite a while. But trust me, guys, most of the projects, like most of the steps, like everyone have did right. She's the one who also did the most of the steps. But she got stuck where to think any challenge for you guys. What challenge should I give to you guys and all this stuff? I told, don't worry about it. I'm going to give the challenge this week. So that is why she got relaxed and she was started to work on her own the project. What's supposed to be teach alone. And it was a very good project, Shruti. Even I also never thought of it. Okay, maybe we can just make this just timer, right? Never thought of it. So you have came up with this idea, really, really good. Okay, maybe what I'll do is we'll just try to add that to one of our syllabus if possible, the chess timer related stuff. It's a good project, basically. Okay, okay then, cool.
Sir, we are gonna meet you on which day of our 6th standard? Can you tell us?
I'm not sure about that part.
sir, like I
Please,
can just
sir.
tell you that
Yes.
Sir, like our 6th standard is gonna start from the which day, sir? Once again, I'll just tell you. Our 6th standard is
2nd
gonna start
June.
from Wednesday. So,
Uh-huh.
are we gonna meet on Wednesday or are we gonna meet on Thursday, Friday? Someday are we gonna meet on that week? That one just
I am not sure about from the regular class, right? Like with all your friends and everyone.
Yes, sir. It's a regular class. We have been promoted to 6, so that is getting started.
I'm
The
not sure
QtPi
about.
she meant.
Okay, I get it. I'm not sure, but I'll be available. But I'll be available for this Facebook live thing. Everyone can catch me on this live related stuff for sure.
Sir, I just got a
Okay.
question.
Uh-huh.
So that like we like except Vaishnavi, we all have done a 1-1 session, right? Like including me.
Mhm.
So like will we get another chance like that or something?
Let's take a break after this session because it's a 1 month of journey, right? Yes, we started at the April and we started with Ayur actually. I think it's time, so that's why he left. I believe he told me earlier itself. But it's okay. We started with Ayur. Now last session is with Vaishnavi. It's a 1 month of journey, right? So let's take a break.
Maybe
Huh?
next June Sunday. Next coming month Sunday.
Yeah,
Because
coming
tomorrow
Sunday.
May ends. Our holiday ends.
After that, my life, there is no live or what?
Our batch
start
can
taking-
our batch. Let's take a break. Then we'll start the next live. We'll announce that. Okay, soon. Okay. Cool. Mm. Yes.
Sir,
Sir, I'm ready with my project, sir. And which doubt I asked you, that's cleared, sir. I have done it.
Okay. Perfect. Yes.
So let's play Scribble game again before
Definitely we will start. Okay.
Sir, but please, sir, wait, sir. I been searching for that option to get thickness, sir. Till that you'll tell us start.
I told you to just wait, but
Sir,
nobody have
Sir,
waited.
at least go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that. Till that I'll find out that
Okay.
option.
Fine.
Sir,
Okay. Fine.
you give
I can just
and ask not to start.
Okay.
like
Lenora is telling for 10 seconds. Sharita is telling like tick 5, tick 4
Yeah,
and all
tick,
this
tick,
stuff.
tick is okay, better, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Lenora actually, sir, she forgot a step in her project. So like the thing I have texted her, sir, please correct it, Lenora. Like when you get like actually, sir, like she just
Yeah, sure.
I just thought just reminding you.
Okay. No problem. Cool. So everyone are clear with the this one?
Yes, sir.
Problem state. I mean
Yes,
the
sir.
challenge.
Yes, sir.
Challenge for
Yes,
this
sir.
week?
Will
One
please.
minute. So
Okay.
Yes,
one
sir.
minute. I want to request Charita something.
Yes, Charita, something is there for you. It seems to be Lenora want to tell. Yes, Lenora, go ahead.
Charita, please don't choose purple because it's my
No, it's
most
not
favorite
purple.
color.
I choose purple. No.
I want
Wait.
blue.
Wait.
I want
Blue.
One
Blue.
more.
I took blue. I
can't
Okay.
can't.
No.
I
Okay.
already
Wait.
took.
Please.
Wait.
No.
Charita, first time you took purple, right? Let her take this time. It's okay, fine.
Sir, then what color should I take, sir? I'm
You
taking
There are
take
lots
the
of colors. Look for the option. Look for the option. There are
the
lots of the
purple
colors.
is
Something
not
else.
this color, sir. It will be
Sir,
nice.
give us the option to look, sir, and we'll decide.
So
Okay.
we
Yeah,
won't start.
given.
So I'm taking blue.
Wait. Vaishnavi went out. Vaishnavi is
Sir,
coming.
did you take red,
Yeah,
sir?
sir, by mistake, sir. I don't know what
I took
happened.
black.
1 second, sir. Wait, sir. 1 second. I'm making it thicker, like, yeah. And I'm
Okay.
taking red.
Done.
Ready?
Yes,
Three.
sir.
Yes.
Done.
See.
Sir,
Cheating.
No, you guys
sir,
can't do that.
don't, sir.
See,
Cheating.
Sir, no
I
one
didn't.
will
I
test.
didn't say count. I didn't say
Even
count.
I
Okay,
took
sir.
red, sir.
Sir, let's keep our
I
hands
took-
over here, and when you say go, that time we'll test.
Okay. Select the color.
Sir, 1 second. Even I heard that Charita is taking
Vaishnavi.
blue.
No, Vaishnavi.
Sir, I did not do anything.
sir,
Ready?
I do this time. I will only win because mine is touchpad now. So when I do it like this, I'll get so much.
Is it? Let's see. Okay. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, red is dominating. Who's red? Wait. I
Me.
have some other.
It's not happening. Something is happening. 1 second. Sir,
Okay.
Sir, I'm not getting only, sir.
sir, I'm trying my best to cover, but everybody are covering. So who's this? Who's taking black?
I am.
Sir. Sir, but how are you doing that?
Hey.
Sir, you can't do that.
Ah.
Sir, wherever I'm putting, there only yours is going. And then mine all is getting
Sir,
red.
Okay, I'm going to stop.
Sir, see, sir, whose is most? Sir, you can see mine also blue. Sir, blue.
Hey,
Blue.
it is blue and the purple dominated.
Yes.
Blue and purple dominated.
Sir, blue is mine. Stuti.
Purple is mine.
Okay.
Sir. Alright. Okay, I want
Yes.
a good question.
Sir, I noticed,
Now-
sir, wherever I'm putting, there only it's
Uh-huh.
coming. Like your
Sir, how
black.
did you do that,
Is
sir?
it?
This is cheating, sir.
Sir has options.
Now let's see
for
who's
that.
the winner. Now who's the winner?
Sir, that is
I don't know.
You actually can't do
that is cheating.
You can't do
Sir,
it.
after the
Once
time
upon-
only I-
One.
Once upon. Oh, cool. It was really nice, and I think we'll time to end the session. Okay, so it was really awesome, and I really enjoyed the session. Okay, so next week I'm expecting Vaishnavi is going to be our last session for this summer. We have started this journey for the summer related stuff, right? And the best part is, you all told you want to learn something, and which is so new, right? Finally,
Yes.
you learned it by yourself, yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You learned by helping each other, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You learned by scratch, like you learned it from yourself. Like you had
Yeah.
my help 20% or 10%.
No, sir. For me, it's 50%. For me, 50%, sir.
50%, sir.
So that is
Okay.
because,
That I made by
Sir,
my own,
that
there was
is-
0% help from you, sir. And
so that is
True,
because,
true.
see, sir, like I had many doubts. You just guided me, and you helped me get to the answer. So that's why 50% goes to you.
See, that's what I'll tell you. What this session, if it's going to be any more session like this, it is going to be like that. I am not going to tell you anything directly. Do step 1, step 2. I won't never ever tell. It will be like I'll just ask you question. You have to find your answers. It's like riddle. I'll give you the riddle. Go find your answer. Okay, that is how it's going to be, and that is how it was. And you guys really did a wonderful job for the very new platform. Whatever you got introduced, even in the school, I have not taught you this app lab. Right? This is the
No,
very
sir.
first time you're going to learn. And
Yes,
trust
sir.
me, guys, when you're going to the 6th grade, right? So you'll be introduced to the app lab. There is a high possibility you can also take a session by yourself. Okay, you can also reach your
Sir,
friends, all the 25
Sir,
people.
I remember you gave me and Sachit a session for Sprite Lab. I remember that.
Perfect. So similar to that, we'll be like going
Give
forward
me a
in school. You'll
session
be able
for
to do
the Sprite Lab helicopter car.
Sir, you
helicopter.
did not give
Mine-
me a section also.
Oh, come on. We had only 2 sessions. So what to do after that
The
exam
last
and
2
everything?
sessions before our final exam, then afterwards summer holidays again we met.
Exactly. That is why I gave you a chance for the live session, right, Lenora? You were able to
Yes,
take
sir.
the live session, right?
Actually, I'm
Okay.
really very
Okay.
interested in this, sir.
Cool.
Sir,
Cool.
actually,
And okay,
Okay,
Stuti,
fine, you can end
Lenora,
it.
everyone. Yeah, let's end it. It's taking too much of time. It's 1 o'clock. Okay, so let's end it. And it was really wonderful. Thank you very much for joining this session. And see you on the next week with our another code master. Hello.
Vaishnavi Agrawal.
Vaishnavi
Sir,
Agarwal.
I
What
just
am I?
want to tell
Yes,
2
sir.
things. That's it. I just want to tell 2 things and then we can end it, sir.
Okay.
So the first thing is that, like I have observed everyone in the sessions. I comparing everyone. I got the most nervousness in the session.
No.
I
That is
think.
fine. That is fine. That is fine. Like no, everyone have the nervousness. To be honest, I am also nervous each and every time I go live. I just don't show it. I just show it with my smile. That's it. I just showed with my smile that okay, I'm so super nervous right now. Okay, I'm just managing it up. You just do this practice, and your nervousness will be like boom, it will be gone. Okay, it's a good thing.
But you know, from
in my
yesterday I'm
project, I was not
practicing
nervous,
my
sir.
live
I'll be genuine.
session, you know.
I was not nervous, sir. I was free. Like I was like whatever.
But
I
from
was
yesterday,
feeling
sir, I'm
myself,
opening
sir.
my laptop.
Okay.
I'm practicing my live
What I
session,
get in
everything,
mind.
sir.
Okay. Cool.
I'm
Sir,
thinking
my
about
second thing
getting
is
Wonderful.
out.
left. My second thing is left.
Second thing, maybe next week you can just take it because it is getting really late. You're supposed to complete it in 1 hour. Okay. Last thing after this, that's it. Done. Yes,
Okay,
Stuti. Yeah, go ahead.
So I just want to tell me and Vaishnavi are from the same state, and my father and her father know very well each other. Like, yeah, each other they know very well.
So,
Even
what's your
mothers know
point?
each other, sir. We both are best
Yes, sir.
friends, sir. After our live is over, we're going to give you a very shocking news, sir. That news, if you're going to
Shocking
hear, that's
news.
going to be a very big shocking to you.
Can you send it in the FB live?
No, I'm not going to send it. After our live is getting over, only we both are going to tell the truth. Something about the truth.
Okay, something about the truth. Okay.
I mean, something
fine.
truth which sir doesn't know, which sir can't even think, you know.
Think of it. Okay, fine. Let's see on the next live. So until then, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice
Same to you all.
Bye. Bye.
Happy weekend.
Happy weekend.
Weekend,
Happy Sunday.
everyone. Bye bye.
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 Bye.